In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give client access in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow to add a client into your sub-account and control what they can see and do. By the end, you'll know how to invite them properly, set the right permissions, and manage their login details. First, head over to your GoHighLevel sub-account and open the launchpad for that specific location. Make sure you're in the correct sub-account, especially if you manage multiple clients, because the access you set up will only apply to the account you're currently in. Once you're in the launchpad, look for the settings option, usually in the left-hand sidebar. Click on settings. This is where all of your account configuration lives, including team members and client access. Inside settings, find and click on the section called My Staff. Even though this is labeled as staff, this is exactly where you'll add your clients as users for that sub-account. Next, click on the Add User button. This creates a new profile for your client so they can log in and access the tools you want them to use. You'll now see a form where you can enter their details. Start by typing in the client's first name, then their last name. Try to use their actual name rather than something generic, because this will appear in notifications and inside the app. After that, type in the client's email address. This is very important, because GoHighLevel will use this email to send login information and verification. Double check that there are no typos, as a wrong email means they won't receive access. You'll also see a field for a phone number. This is optional, so fill it in only if you want to store it here, or if your workflows rely on SMS. It's not required for access. Once those details are in, click on Next to move to the permissions section. You'll now see a user role drop down. Click on it and choose whether this person should be an admin or a user. Admins have broader access and more control, while regular users are more limited. Pick whichever best matches how involved you want your client to be. Below that, you'll see toggles that let you fine-tune their roles and permissions. Go through these carefully and switch on only what your client actually needs. For example, access to pipelines, conversations, or reporting. This helps keep your account secure and avoids overwhelming them with unnecessary features. When you're happy with the settings, click on Save. This creates the user in your sub-account. After the user has been created, you'll see them listed in your staff section. To finish setting up their access, click on the little pen or edit icon next to their name. In the Edit view, look for the button to send a verification email and click it so they receive an official invite to log in. If you want to manage their password directly, expand the advanced settings drop down in that same area. Here, you can set a password for the client instead of having them create it themselves. This can be useful if you want to give them predefined login details and then ask them to change it later. That's all you need to do to give a client access in GoHighLevel. Open your sub-account launchpad, go into Settings, add them as a user under My Staff, set their role and permissions, save, and then send their verification email and optionally configure